Hey, if you've ever struggled with staying motivated on your keto journey, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how setting up a simple reward system can transform your progress and keep you going strong when things get tough. Number 1, celebrate non-scale victories. Too many people get caught up on the number on the scale, but real keto success includes non-scale victories too. Maybe you've gone a full week without sugar cravings, or your energy levels have skyrocketed. These moments really matter, and they deserve to be celebrated. Set milestones based on how you feel, not just what you weigh. Number 2, choose healthy, motivating rewards. Now, when it comes to rewards, don't use food. That's an old trap. Instead, choose things that fuel your journey. A new keto cookbook, a workout gear that's special to you, or even a relaxing massage. The reward should make you feel good and remind you why you started in the first place. Number 3, track and visualize your progress. Seeing your progress builds momentum. Try a simple chart on the fridge or a keto jar. Add $1 each day you stay on track and cash it in for your reward. This makes your goals real, visual, and fun. It keeps the spark alive. If this idea clicked with you, hit the like button and drop a comment below. What's one reward you would love to work toward? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more keto motivation, tips, and real talk. You've got this.